Hi guys, this is Aditya from PC Distro. So today I have got a MacBook Air and I just want to show this MacBook Air unboxing with you. It's not an unboxing video, but I just purchased this video and I just purchased this MacBook Air and I thought I should share the unboxing with you. So you can see this is MacBook Air, right? And let me read the configuration for you. Okay, it has 13.3-inch diagonal, which is LED backlit widescreen display with 1440 by 900 pixel resolution. It has dual-core Intel i5 processor with 3 MB and L3 cache. I don't understand that much, but this is showing in the configuration. And it has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, which is random which is SSD. Now it has the graphics of 6000, which I don't understand because this is the first time I'm going to use the MacBook product, and this is my first MacBook Air product. So let me just go ahead and unbox this, and I'm going to remove the plastic cover. Okay, now as you can see, I'm just removing the plastic cover. Wow, it has really very sharp look, because when you normally buy laptops from like any other laptop, then you will get a lot of the, it's a heavy box, but you can see how compact it is. It's very lightweight, and I think this laptop is good for those guys who do the business stuff on their laptop. So wow, you see their boxing, it's look really very attractive. They got a very good logo on the middle of the back side, which is Apple logo, as you can see. And now I'm going to pull this up from the box, and let's see what are the things I have got from Apple. Okay, so I have got one laptop, as you can see. Oh, it's really very lightweight and very thin. And guys, this MacBook Air does not have optical disk drive. That means you cannot insert a floppy disk into this. And with the laptop, I have got one adapter. As you can see here now, this is the adapter, and this is, I think this is the part of the adapter. Let me see what else I have got here. So this is the adapter, this is the charging cable. Okay, I think I have got two different type of charging cable. I'm not sure how it can be used, but okay, they have got really very different type of design with their cables and their chargers. Right, so this is the first time I'm going to open any MacBook device, as before this I never used. And yep, this is also a user manual I have got from them. Let me open this. Okay, so you got MacBook Air information page, and wow, this is a logo. I mean, this is you can see the stickers. They have provided two stickers. You can use it on your device, and this is the quick start guide user manual. Wow, it's really attractive. So let me put this at the side, and now this is the device. It is plastic covered, and I'm going to open this up here. I'm not sure how to open this up, but there should be somewhere. Okay, Whoa. So I have removed the plastic cover. It has given some instructions. Okay, so that instructions can be written later on, but you see, when I remove this laptop, you can see when I unbox this laptop, it's very lightweight and very thin. It's really good for the people who do the business stuff. Okay, so this is the first time I'm going to open any MacBook Air. Wow, this is how it looks like. You can see the keypad. They have got a QWERTY keypad, and this is the MacBook, and this is 13.3-inch MacBook Air. That means it's not a huge laptop. You can see they have got a very attractive logo in the back side, and they have got the camera at the front and a very attractive touchpad. Oh, wow. So I'm not sure how to open this. So I can see there is a power button here. So I'm going to press this power button. I think it's coming up now. Now here you can see it's coming up with the Apple logo here. It may require the Wi-Fi, so let me just go ahead and turn on the Wi-Fi also. Wow, it's really cool. It's loading. You can see it's loading. Now it has a battery backup of 12 hours. That's really very good, because if you have the electricity problem in your area, then in that case you can use this laptop, because 12-hour battery backup is really very good. And I have been using Windows computer since 2000. I think it's 2008 or 9. So it's almost been more than 10 years I have been using the Windows laptop. I never saw any laptop who has who provided 12 hours of the battery backup. So this is really very good. And with the Mac, obviously you get the quality work. You see the work. This is very lightweight, and wow. Now you can see it has got the lights on the keypad also, which is, it will be good. It will be easy to use at the night time. Now I can move the cursor also. As you can see, it's moving the cursor here. I will show you the front look also here. Now this is all. Now let me focus the camera at the very front so that you can see exactly how it looks like and how you can configure
To
it.
use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay, so now let me bring you to the home screen here.